So a very good evening to all of you. Then we have present here sisters, teachers and my dear students. I am here on behalf of your principal, Father Marcel Fernandez OCD, and the manager, Father Anil. Both of them are due to their busy schedule or some other assignment. They will not be able to present here. So on behalf of them, I am here to address you all at the end. And throughout this is my 4th year running here, and this batch where I came, I think this was the first batch whom I started teaching. If you remember, no, you remember, Pukling was not there, he came afterwards, but others were there. So when I came, these were the two batches, no, section A and section B. But I used to teach both. Taman was also not there, Pragya was also not there, so Pragya is not looking. But others were there, so they know me. Okay, again who was not there? That time? Okay. Anyway, so I know them from that time onwards, and these boys, these students, I would say, no, they were very good to me, especially when taking the classes. They say they learned very well those days. Afterwards, I could not come and teach them because due to my other duties. Good. That is just the memory that I carry with you, my dear students, and it will be there because one thing I will tell. Beginning also I used to tell you that I have no interest in teaching, in administration, but happen to teach you, and from your part I got a good feedback that I am teaching well. So I was happy, and then again I am just away from the schools. You can see me hardly present here, but even then, that was the moment I really think and appreciate that you were all very good, obedient, and then respecting towards the teachers. But it's not only the school authority, but every teacher. And this is the good thing that you have learned. And something I will tell now, that now you are preparing for your final exam. Today especially I will speak to you only, not to others. Okay, you are preparing for the final exam. In final exam, you may be preparing to get a good mark. You are trying to score a good mark, but you know that that will remain only in a piece of paper, and we will call it certificate. Right? We'll call it certificate, and we'll prove with that we have passed out. But thing is, important is not that certificate. Important is what you learn throughout. Some of you started from LKG maybe. In this school I mean, all of you started from LKG only, but I mean in this school. Some might have come afterwards. But thing is that during your stay here in this school, in our life there is ups and downs. Failures are there. The mistake we do, it has to be corrected. Right? If somebody is not correcting, we will go on doing that mistake. Because nobody is teaching us that this is wrong. Unless and until somebody says that this is wrong, we will be going on doing that wrong. Now, for example, when we are doing mathematics, now we have so many formulas and we do not know where to apply, how to apply. We may apply all the formulas, whatever the sin theta, cos theta, whatever is there. We may apply, but our answer won't be the correct one. Right? But if there is a math teacher, if there is some guide, somebody is guiding us, and who is telling that this is the correct answer, then only you will know that okay, this way we have to do the maths, and then we'll come to the conclusion or the answer. In that way, in this institution, as long as you were, all the teachers, right from principal to the didis, those who are helping us in different way, all the staffs, they all tried their best to teach you what is good for your life. And in that time, they might have beaten you, they might have scolded you, many things they might have done. But why they were doing these things? Why they were doing? This is the time when to form you. No, this is the only time when to form you. Otherwise, there is no use of scolding, no use of beating, no use of doing anything. Simply, teachers will come, do their only duty. Their duty, what is their duty? Their duty is to teach you. You learn or did not learn anything, they will not say anything. But they want to see that you become one day a good person, a good citizen of India. Understood? That's the only thing they were trying throughout this year. Now, once you go out from this school or this institution, hardly you may visit here. Hardly you may see your teachers. And I would tell you, I will guarantee you that hardly anybody can correct you after hereafter. Nobody will say, nobody will tell you that, like Albert, why you are doing this? Justin, why you are doing that? Or Jusan, why you are doing this? Nobody. Why you are roaming around? Nobody will tell you. This is with this all this restriction, everything will be cut off because you will be a free bird. Free bird. When we are trying to keep a bird, we are capturing in a cage. We keep inside. We feed them everything, right? But once we open the door, what they do? They just fly to their world, and we don't see them. Understood? We don't see them. That's the yeah. As long as you were here, why you were put your parents? There are many schools around. If you go here, government school. If you go other line, Yasing Park, Rice, Child World, many schools are there. Madhepur also, many schools are there. But why your parents give you here? You might have, during this time you stay here, you might have told your parents also that we don't want to study here. You might have asked your parents, we want to change the school. But why they stick onto this school? Your parents, they believe that in this school, you may become something. You may get good formation, I would say. Formation means to shape your life. Okay? And that is the duty your teachers will do. All the teachers. From LKG, the Miss and all, they are there in LKG. They taught you and they send you to the higher school. There are other teachers, they also try to teach you what they can do. Now, I will ask you one question. Do you think that once you finish up your matric exam and you are gone, do you think that any teacher, whomever you will meet on the way, or whatever you do on the way, do you think that they will correct you? Do you think? I want to hear that. Do you think they will correct? Or do you think that I will correct you? I will say, okay, if you are coming, and my nature is that I will talk to you. Good morning, good afternoon, all these things, how are you? With that, my talk is over outside. Yes. If you come to the inside compound, I may speak to you more than 5-6 minutes, or I can speak half an hour also if you come to the compound. But once I meet you outside or once we meet each other, I will not take time. I will say good morning, how are you? Finished. Or where are you? Maximum, where are you going? I am going to Namsai. Finished. With that, everything is over. Nothing, I will not give you a long lecture as now I am giving here. Okay, I will not give you a long lecture as I am giving now. So, this is the life. What I want to say. Today I was nicely writing for you to say some messages. Then I saw a good story also. Like when we journey, when we make a train journey, we enter into a compartment. No. In Hindi, what we call that compartment? Coach or dabba. Okay. When we enter that dabba, we are not from the same class batchmates, right? We are from different place. The train moves on, but from different station, different type of people will enter. Some are lame, some are blind, some are short height, some are taller, and some are old, some are young, some children. You see, different people. Likewise, when we started our schooling, LKG onwards, what was our experience? First day we came and we might have started crying, right? We start crying, and then after 1 month we start laughing. No, we are happy. Then after 1 year, what we do? We try to speak to each other. And what happens? At the end, we become friend. And then, what we call this friendship? We call it, if we are in the same class, we call it batchmate. What we call? We call it batchmate. And now you all what? You are also batchmate. And you are like a group now, right? And whenever any program is there, you go as a batchmate. You remember yourself as a batchmate, not by name, right? So this is what in our life. Life is like a journey. Understood? Life is a journey. We are making journey. As we journey in our life, different kinds of people will come, and they will try to teach you. If you really meditate, they will try to teach you many things. But one thing I will tell you, this journey of life is very different. Here we don't have a topic to that a teacher will teach you. We don't have syllabus like maths, geography, history or English or Hindi. We don't have. Here, without syllabus, the life gives us test. Life is giving us examination, and that examination we have to pass. Life is challenging. It challenges, gives us challenges without any instruction. Here in the school, when we study maths or anything, we have got the instructions that you go or you follow these steps. But in our way of life, the journey of life, there is no instruction, no tips. You will not get any tips. Similarly, in this way, we have again, what is that? At the end, result also we get. When we appear for the exam, after facing all the challenges, we appear for the examination. And in this examination, what we get? We get the result. The result will depend upon your character. The result will depend upon your character. Wherever you go to get a job, they won't see your certificate. Of course, certificate they will see only whether you have passed or failed. But mostly they will check your conduct, your behavior, your character. So I would say that all the fathers, sisters and teachers, those who were here, all were trying to do that. That form, shape your character, shape your conduct, shape your behavior properly. That will help you to secure a good life in future. So, as you are going, I would say simple thing that my suggestion to last suggestion for you and all. Or so to say my last words. I may not give you like this again speech or lecture. That as you go from here, first of all you should remember that you have not yet written your exam. No. So you have not yet written your exam. That you remember, prepare well for your exam. Okay. And then I would say that all the best for your exam, because I will be there but I won't be there for writing your exam. Okay. I will do the outside work, but inside work, the hard work you have to show in your paper. Okay. So I will tell you have got only 2 weeks, hardly 2 weeks. Prepare, don't waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time. So always I used to say, last 3 years we got 100%. No, and the percentage 80 plus was the highest. 88 was the highest percentage. So you should get more than 88. So together with me, are you ready? Cannot hear. Loud. Are you ready to get more than 88? Yeah. You can also hear now. They will get more than 88. And I will be very happy if you get more than 88, because that is the 88 is the top. Okay. So always you should try to break that record. So if you break, records are made to break only. So you should break that record, okay? Then, last and final, as you finish your exam, and for the last exam, if you give, once you give, I may not be here, you should at least to say hi and hello. No, but today only I will tell you that as you go from here, as you leave this institution, you may be happy, may not be happy, but remember that keep the values you have learned. Keep the values you have learned and show courage in your challenges or in your action. Whatever you do, show your courage, that you are courageous, and I know you all are courageous. Okay? Show your courage in action and honesty in your character. 3 things I said. What are those 3 things? First, values. Carry or keep the values. Second is courage in your action. Third is honesty in your character. These things reflect well, and this is my wish, and wish you all the best for your exam. May God bless you. Thank you.